Hi Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 17th of March. Gemini, let's see what is in your messages today. Gemini, let's go. See what we have for you. I would love to do that for you. Let's go. Gemini, the Lover's card. Gemini, we have the Eight of Cups coming out first. Okay, I'm getting abandonment. The Eight of Cups is usually turning your back on somebody. Maybe you're making a decision that you don't want to see someone anymore. Maybe this is just something that's not working out. You don't want to do this anymore. I'm getting you turning your back on somebody. I'm also getting Gemini, you're going up into the hills. Don't know what you're going up to the mountains to do, but I'm getting you're up in the mountains somewhere. I'm getting you're alone. I'm not sure what you're doing up in the mountains, Gemini. You're up in the mountains. Now, the Eight of Cups can also talk about abandonment. I'm getting everybody who come in your life abandon you and blame it on you. Them never abandon you and say, oh, you know, I'm going through a bad time. Them abandon you and then blame it on you. I'm getting you don't get close to people because you know that them always going to leave. So I don't feel like it's a thing on your chest, but I'm getting you do struggle with abandonment issues. You feel like people are going to abandon you, turn them back on you, especially when you need them the most. All right. Let's go. We have again, turning your back on somebody or you. I'm getting you're scared. I'm getting maybe you're being pressured to abandon somebody. The Eight of Cups, Three of Wands. I'm getting you turning your back on, literally the back is being turned, the back. Maybe you want to turn your back on someone before they turn their back on you. That's abandonment issues. You want to break up with somebody before you fall in love. That's abandonment issues. I'm getting you scared to allow yourself to fall in love because you're scared somebody abandon you. You have abandonment issues. Not issues, but you have abandonment trauma. Now, the Three of Wands leads to the Four of Wands, which is a house. So I'm getting every time you're home alone, you don't feel good. You're getting around you is beautiful, nice furniture, nice place. You're getting around you is lovely, but mentally, you don't feel well. We have a Star card. Okay, so I'm getting you looking at someone. Are you looking at a naked person? Okay, you could be looking at an Aquarius, or I'm getting you looking at the celebrity, the star. Maybe you're scared that this star about if you're dating a celebrity. Yeah, Gemini, that's you. You're dating. Okay, so I'm getting you and the celebrity is dating. But getting you and this person is more alike than you think. I'm getting you scared that this woman going to abandon you. Maybe somebody going to be big. Maybe somebody's gaining traction. They're very popular. I'm getting them, the Moon card. Yeah, I'm getting you don't know what will happen when this person reach. Someone's coming up. That's the first thing. The second thing is the star, she's naked. So unless you're looking at naked things, Gemini, or I'm getting you been looking on her. I literally getting that you leave somebody to go home and look on them online. Gemini air signs are the weirdest. Anyways, feel like you're someone's fan, Gemini. I feel like you really like somebody. You're getting you like somebody top hat, you like somebody torso. This message has been sponsored by Canada One. Exactly, I had to Hydro One wants Canadians to know that even though you might be looking at naked things, you still have to pay light and water bill. Why? Because you need light bill to watch whatever naked body you're looking on, and you definitely need water to clean up after you're finished doing what you're doing. Hydro Canada wants Canadians to know that even though they're paying 2 times the cost for the same service, they don't care. Anyways, the Lover's card again, Gemini. I feel like you're secretly in love with this celebrity, you're in love with this woman, but you're afraid that she's going to abandon you. All right, we have the King of Cups. Maybe afraid that she went up. Okay, I'm also seeing you in the hills with a man. Is you wanna? We're getting something with a Scorpio up in the hills, Gemini. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm getting Gemini. Are you up? I'm getting you and another guy is up in the hills. You and a Scorpio. It could be a Cancer or Pisces man. I feel like you bring somebody up in the hills and you came back down alone. I will not dwell on that. The Star card is the Three of Swords. Yeah, okay, wait. We have the Emperor coming out. That's you, Gemini. And we also have the Nine of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio who hurt somebody who you love. Somebody did hurt this person. We're getting a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man who hurt this girl. Maybe the man did expose her. Not expose as in she did something wrong. Expose her as in put her on blast. We're getting something him do to her. This Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man. Gemini, I'm getting you go up in the hills with him and him never came back down. King of Swords, Emperor. I'm getting the you went up there in the night. Or something about no cell phone service. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. We have the Sun card. We have the Ten of Cups. I get the Ten of Cups draw again. I'm getting something. Did somebody fake a baby? Gemini, yes. I'm getting something about prostitution too. The ghetto. Right? I'm getting something about prostitution too. Maybe this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man, him do something to this girl. Cause I'm getting something really did hurt her. She must have come to you and confide in you and tell you. I'm getting you bring this man up in the hills and I don't think he came back down. I kind of feel like I catfish him for come somewhere and kidnap him and brought him in the hills. I'm getting something about you want serve justice for this celebrity, for this woman firsthand. Honestly, Gemini, did you see the thing about the astronaut that was stuck in space? You see how Jesus fuck. Them send the astronaut go space. You know how hard it is to become an astronaut? And she's stuck in a space. An independent person had to go there and save her. An independent person. Who sent her to space? It wasn't a private institution sent her to space. I'm pretty sure it had to be approved by the government. And the government abandoned her. The government said, oh, she stuck there. How much food? How much water? How much oxygen? How long she in orbit? A civilian had to go up there and save her. Civilian. The government couldn't do it. The government turned them back on her. The government said, that's too much. The government. You know how much fitness and approval and things you have to do to make it to space? You know how much G-force you have to go under for lick your body? Could she even terminate her own life in space? Was there anything there to help her? Nope, she'd have to just suffer, dead. A civilian had to go to space and save her and bring her back on Earth. Would I sue Earth? I would have sue fucking Earth. This is the jury against the Earth, the humans against the astronauts on the send go space and forget about and decide so now. Where was Elon Musk beside Trump? You know, you see when Trump is walking with X and him do this. X is a type of child that can bring her anywhere. You see when him walk with Trump and Trump stop, him stop too. When X walking with Trump, him do this, and do this. And then Trump do this. And then point on him, and then X stop, and then when Trump walk, X walk again. You can bring that child anywhere. Him look like him will listen to you if you say stop. And anytime Trump stop, you see him stop. And then Trump walk, him walk, and Trump stop, him stop again. I'm like, oh, what's your granddaddy, grandpa? Where is Baron? Oh, with his mother, safe and sound. All right. Yes. So the government abandoned the astronauts in a space. And that's so Earth. When they left Brown, they left the astronauts in space. What kind of embarrassment that? I want to know what she'll get when she come back. Because when she come back, one civilian had to go there. Not NASA, not SpaceX. One civilian had to go. Who went there? I don't even know the information properly. I just know the government abandoned her in a space. Somebody care. Them tell you say nobody not care. Somebody have a blood clot care. Somebody had to care, Gemini. She in a space. How you even get up there? Okay, even if the government said no, who you got to for a rocket for say it's not like a car where you can say, hey, I need to go for my sister, let me borrow your car. Hey, let me borrow some money for buy a plane ticket for go to another country, go get my husband, go get my wife. She in a space. Who you got to for a space rocket? And then you need gear. Then you need to go, they need to meet her. They need to transfer over into her spaceship for see her, for save her. The government abandoned her. The fucking government tax a civilian who see her and care, decide to risk his life and go up there and brought her back to Earth safely. Gemini. We have sleep. We have Neptune. Neptune rules dreams and illusions. We have 7. We have Shark. We have political agenda. And we have the soul was sold. Until next time, Gemini. Toodles.